Let me check if you are if we are live now. Hello, hi, welcome, good evening to this Unacademy ICSE and ISC YouTube channel. Hello Siddhi, good evening, very good evening. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do your IUPAC Nomenclature on Organic Chemistry with previous year questions. Okay. So are you, tell me fast if I am clearly visible and audible. Yes. Please let me know if I am clearly visible and audible. Okay. So before starting the class, let me introduce myself to you. So this is Manisha, your class 10 chemistry educator. I have done my graduation as well as diploma and a gold medalist in both. I was a university as well as state topper. So this is my brief introduction to you. Okay, thank you, Siddhi. So you can join me on this Telegram channel. Siddhi, I was talking about this channel where I will be providing you the notes. Okay. The link is this one. HTTPS back. Yes. Okay. Menti quiz. Yes, Siddhi. That I will be doing soon. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. So Menti quiz I will be doing soon. Okay. So don't worry about that. So basically this is the link of my Telegram channel where you will be getting the class notes, the homeworks, everything you will be getting here. Okay. And this is the official channel of Unacademy on Telegram which you can join for every links, notifications, updates, everything. Okay. Hello Navdeep, welcome to the class. Okay. So please students, if you really like the classes and you are getting benefited from it, so do share it with your friends as well and do not forget to like the class. How can I join? I don't know. So Siddhi, you can do what? You can just copy this means you can whatever you are seeing the link you can type it in the Google, okay, and when you will type it in the Google you will be automatically redirected to the Telegram channel that is there where you will be getting the notes of this class. You just have to type this link in your Google, okay, then you can join this channel. Clear? So otherwise, I can give you the link in the chat section of this class after the class ends. Okay, that also I can do. So you can have the special class also. This is absolutely for free. Ma'am, can you teach us physics? Navdeep, see, I am here to teach you chemistry. Okay, so I will be taking your chemistry only. So later on, I can see that if I will take your physics or not. So for now, I am just taking your chemistry classes. Okay. So you can have like free special classes also where you can have real time interaction with your teachers. You can ask questions from your teacher by using the question tab. Live poll quizzes are there, poll leaderboard is there. So many things are there which you can really enjoy and have a benefit on special classes. So you can join me there also for special classes. Like on 11th, I will be doing the revision of organic compounds on special class. On 13th of Feb, I will be discussing your sample papers, sample question papers on chemistry for class 10th on this special class. So timing for special class is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. So you can join me over Unacademy app also in the special classes. Hello Varsha, welcome to the class. And if you really like to have a more personalized experience, more better experience, you can certainly go for the Unacademy subscription where you can get a lot of benefits. Like you can have really regular doubt solving sessions. Your everything in the syllabus will be covered. Your study material you will be getting, mentorship, everything you will be getting on this Unacademy subscription. And with single subscription, you will be getting the subscription of 11 and 12 as well. Okay. So you can use my code Manisha Live to get the subscription. So you can I will suggest you to take the subscription for 12 months at least, so that you can avail maximum benefits. Okay. Also, we are having a mega offer where if you buy like 12 month subscription, you will be getting 2 months extra subscription just for free. Also, we have open house. मैम ऑर्गेनिक का वन शॉट में करा दो प्लीज. Navdeep, I have already taken a one shot session on your hydrocarbons that I have already taken just 2-3 days back. Okay, and now I am doing a one shot session on your IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so that we will also be discussing your previous year questions as well as sample paper questions. Yes, Siddhi, I am just starting the class. Okay. Okay, sure. So we will start with your IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. So please let me first give you a brief overview on this nomenclature. Then we can start with the questions. Okay, so that you will be able to solve the question. So let's revise the rules first. What are the rules that are used in your nomenclature? So basically your nomenclature is divided into three parts. Okay. If you want to name any compound, that nomenclature is divided into three parts. First is your prefix. Second is your root word. Okay. And third is your suffix. These are the three parts in which your nomenclature is divided. So prefix is used for substituents. So the substituents which are not included in the main chain, for them the prefix is used. Okay. Root word is used to tell you the number of, it is used to tell the number of carbon atoms present in the main chain. Okay, this is present in the main chain. So how many carbon atoms are present in the main chain, that you will know with the root word. Main chain, or you can call it as parent chain as well. Okay. Suffix we have two types. We have two types of suffix. That is, one is your primary suffix and second is your secondary suffix. Okay. So we have two types of suffix here that I am going to explain what does this means. So basically your primary suffix is nothing but the suffix that we use for bonds. Okay. So primary suffix is the suffix used for bonds. Clear? So if you have single bond between the carbon atoms of the main chain, if you have double bond between the carbon atoms of the main chain, so the suffix that you use to denote the bonds between the carbon atoms of the main chain, that is your primary suffix. Okay. Hello Rohit, welcome to the class. So you can see here, if you have single bond, okay, the single bond between your carbon atoms of the main chain, primary suffix is used to denote the bond present between carbon atoms of the main chain. Okay. So always remember this. So if you have double bond between the carbon atoms of the main chain, you are going to use the suffix "-ine", and if triple bond is present, you will be using "-ine". Clear? Hello Tisha, welcome to the class. Good evening, very good evening. Okay, so here we are doing a one-shot session on IUPAC nomenclature, as well as we will be solving the previous year questions along with your sample paper questions. Okay, so let us just have an overview what we have learned till now. So your nomenclature is divided into three parts: prefix, root word, suffix. Prefix is used for your substituents. Root word is used to tell us the number of carbon atoms that is present in your main chain. Suffix is again divided into two parts: primary suffix and secondary suffix. So primary suffix is used to denote the bonds present between the carbon atoms of the main chain. Okay, like if your single bond is present, we will be using "-ane", double bond "-ine", triple bond "-ine". Okay, and secondary suffix. If we talk about your secondary suffix, so secondary suffix is used for your functional groups. Okay, secondary suffix is used for your functional groups. Clear everyone? So for example, which suffix we use? If we have alcohol as our functional group, okay, so we will use the suffix "-ol". If we have carboxylic acid as our functional group, okay, that is COOH group, that means we will be using the suffix "-oic acid". Okay, And similarly for aldehyde we use al. Yes, for ketone we use on, and so on. Clear? So this we will be talking after we have learned all the rules of the nomenclature. Okay. So is it clear everyone? Everyone present in the class, is it clear to everyone? Please let me know once in the comment section. Also do not forget to like the class and share the class. Okay. Chalo. So these are the basic rules that we have. So while naming the compound, certain rules we have to follow. So rules of IUPAC nomenclature, what are the rules? So we have like 6 to 7 rules. Okay. Ma'am, like carbonic acid. No, Siddhi, that is a different thing. Carbonic acid is a different thing. That is H2CO3. This is a different thing. Okay. This is an acid. We are talking about your carboxylic acid, which is a functional group COOH. COOH. The suffix that we use is oic acid. Clear? Carbonic acid is a different thing. That is made by dissolving your carbon dioxide in water. That is your carbonic acid. Clear? So we will have now rules of IUPAC nomenclature. So first rule is what? First of all, you have to select the parent chain. Okay. First of all, you have to select the parent chain. And which will be your parent chain? Longest carbon-carbon chain. Okay. So you have like longest carbon-carbon chain as your parent chain. So after you have selected the parent chain, we have to number the carbon atoms of the parent chain. Okay. Number the carbon atoms of the parent chain. Clear? So how do we number it? Is there any rule to number also? Yes, we certainly have a rule for everything. So you have to number the carbon atoms of the parent chain in such a way. Okay. You have to number it in such a way that functional group, substituents, and double and triple bond gets the lowest position. Okay, this gets the lowest position. Is it clear everyone? So you have to number the carbon chain of the carbon atoms of the parent chain in such a way that your functional group, substituents and double and triple bond gets the lowest position. Now out of these three, like functional group is also present, substituent is also present, double and triple bond is also present in the compound, then which should be given the lowest preference? Okay, because it is not possible to give lowest preference to everyone in a group. Yes. So the priority order goes like this. If we have a priority order also, like which will be given more priority. So your functional groups are given more priority, then your double and triple bonds are given the priority, then we have like substituents. This is the priority order of numbering when we have all these three present in a single compound. Is it clear? So let me give you an example for this so that you can understand it well. Okay. So let us have an example for this. Like this we have a compound like this. So you can see 2, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4 complete, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2 and 2. So this is the compound which we have and we have to number it. Okay. So first rule was what? To select the main chain or longest carbon-carbon chain as your parent chain. So this is going to be the longest carbon-carbon chain. Of course, this is going to be our parent chain. Now, we have a substituent here. We have a double bond here. And we have a functional group as well. Now, from which side should we start numbering it? Okay. So, from which side should we start numbering it? Should we start numbering it from left hand side or right hand side? Please tell me the answer. Siddhi, Tisha, Rohit, Navdeep, anybody who is present in the class, Varsha. If you know the answer, please let me know if you know the answer of this. From which side should we start numbering it? Yes, from left hand side or from right hand side? Very good. Okay. You have already answered, Siddhi. Okay. So the answer you have given here, Siddhi, is wrong. Okay. No. We will not start numbering it from the left side. You can see over here the priority order is functional group is the most priority one. Okay. Functional group has the most priority and substituents are the least prioritized. Yes, so functional group को सबसे ज्यादा priority दिया जाता है and double bonds are after that and substituent is at the last. So we will start numbering it from the right hand side and not left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to give the preference to your functional group. Functional group will be given the first number. Okay. So the name of this compound will be 4-chloro. Okay. Then we don't have any substituent. We will come to the root word. So in root word we have 5 carbons. So the root word will be pent. Now we have double bond at 4th position. So 4-ene. Yes. And we have alcohol group at the first position, so we can write it like this, 1-ol, or you can omit this first position also. Okay, so here you can see E and O are coming together, so you have to remove this E. So whenever your A, E, I, O, U and Y, out of these 6 letters, if any 2 letters come together, we need to remove the first one. So here E will be removed and the name will be 4-chloro pent 4-ene all. Okay, 4-ene all. Yes, very good. Ma'am, in Selena it is written that bond priority is first. See Siddhi, in Selena maybe the with functional group it is not written. Okay, I have not seen that line actually. But actually the priority order is given to your functional group. Your functional groups are the most prioritized one. Okay, after that we have double bond. After that we have substituents. So the correct answer is your 4-chloro-pent 4-enol. Clear? Is it clear? Please let me know once if it is clear to everyone. Okay. So always remember this, your functional group is given the most priority. After that we give the priority to double and triple bond, and after that we give the priority to your substituents. Means substituents are your least priority. They have least priority. Okay, clear? So I hope this is clear to you. Yeah. Okay. Now let's move on to our next rule. So first rule was selecting the parent chain. We have selected. Numbering the carbon atoms, we have numbered. We have also understood how to number the carbon atoms. What is the position? What is the way of numbering the carbon atoms? Okay. So you must have seen this Siddhi in your Selena book, that there is no compound which is containing your functional group along with your double or triple bond. Is there any compound? Tell me first. In the questions that is given in your Selena book, is there any compound containing your functional group and double bond at the same time? Okay, Siddhi. Yeah, sure. I will be asking you more questions. Okay, after I have told you the next rule. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Then always remember, if 2, 3 or 4 types of, or you can say if 2, 3 and 4 same types of, you can say. Okay. Okay. So yes. Okay Rohit. Chalo, very good. So 4 same types of bonds, functional groups, or you can say your substituents are present. Okay, substituents are present. We use the prefix di for 2. Okay, if 2 substituents are present of same time, like 2 methyl groups are present, or 2 chlorine atoms are present, or 2 bromine atoms are present, in that case we use di for 2, tri for 3. Okay, tri for 3 we use, and tetra for 4 we use. Okay, tetra for 4 we use, and penta for 5, hexa for 6 and so on. Clear? This is the third rule over here. Now next rule, if after numbering the carbon atoms from either side, if same position is allotted to substituents, then numbering is done alphabetically. Okay. So we have a position where we can do the numbering alphabetically as well. Okay. So which is that condition where we have to do numbering alphabetically? Like for example here. Here we have bromine, here we have chlorine. So like if we want to number this compound, okay, if we want to number the carbon atoms of this compound, so from which side should we start numbering? Tell me fast. If we do the numbering from right hand side, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting the substituent at second and third position. And if we number it from left hand side, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we are getting the substituent at 2 and 3 position. So tell me fast, can we do the numbering from either side? Is it allowed here that we can do the numbering from either side? So no. Yeah. Very good, Siddhi. Yes. So it is not allowed that you can do the numbering from either side, because that would give rise to two different names of a same compound. Two different names, two different IUPAC name of a same compound, which is not possible. A compound can have only one IUPAC name. Okay. So here this numbering is correct and this is wrong. Why? Because in such a situation where you get the same position for the functional groups or double or triple bonds or your for substituents from either side, then you have to number from that side where it is means alphabetically you have to do the numbering. Okay. So alphabetically your bromine is coming first and then you have chlorine. So that's why your right hand side numbering in this case is correct and the name of this compound will be, yes Siddhi, very good, 2 bromo, okay, 2 bromo and 3 chloro butane. Okay. Clear? 2 bromo, 3 chloro butane. Yes, alphabetically. Because alphabetically mein B comes first than your C. That's why we are doing the numbering here alphabetically. When you get the same position for substituents or double or triple bonds from either side. This is applicable whenever you are getting the same position for by numbering from either side. किसी भी तरफ से numbering करो, you get the same position. Then only you have to do the alphabetical order of numbering. Otherwise, as we are doing, that is the rule that will be followed. Let me ask you one more question to remove this doubt. Okay. So now tell me, what is the correct name for this compound? What is the correct name for this compound? The compound that I have drawn just now. Please let me know if you know the answer. What is the correct name for this compound? Yes? Rohit, Siddhi, anyone? Okay, so let me answer it. So you can see over here that if we are numbering from the right hand side, we get 2 bromo. How you will get 2 bromo? 4 chloro. That's what I told you, Siddhi. That's why I gave this question, just to remove your confusion. Okay. So if you do the numbering from right hand side, we get the substituents at which position? At second and fourth position we are getting the substituent. If we do the numbering from left hand side, we get the substituents at 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we are getting the substituent at 1 and third position. So you know that we have to give the lowest order of preference, lowest number to the substituents. So by numbering from right hand side, you are giving them the number 2 and 4. By numbering from the left hand side, you are giving the number 1 and 3. Which is lower? 1 and 3 is lower, no? So this is the correct one. This is the wrong one. Because from numbering from the either side, you are getting different position. So here you don't have to do alphabetically. Okay. When you are getting different position, you don't have to do alphabetically. This is only applicable when you get the same position, like in this case. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? So the name of this compound will be 1-chloro. Okay, 1-chloro. Sorry. And naming is always done alphabetically. Okay, naming is always done alphabetically. So first we will write the name of bromo. So it will be 3-bromo, 1-chloro, butane. Is it clear? Yeah, is it clear? So always remember alphabetical का option we use only when we have same position for your substituents by numbering from either side, like from left hand side or right hand side you have the same position for your substituents. If you have different position, then you have to select that numbering which will give the lowest order of preference to your substituents or your double bonds or your functional groups. Is it clear everyone? Please let me know. Yes, Rohit, Siddhi, Varsha, everyone in the class, Tisha, let me know first. Okay, should I proceed now? Anybody having any more doubts? Okay, so I suppose no one is having any doubt, so let us proceed now. Okay, now next is your next rule is that okay, always write the names of compound alphabetically. Okay, you have to always write the names of compound alphabetically. Sixth rule, if A, E, I, O, U and Y comes together, always omit the first letter. Okay, always omit the first letter. Is it clear? These are the different rules that we use for naming the compounds at your level. We have many more rules, but now you have to learn only these many rules. Is it clear? Please let me know once. Yes? Okay. Now is the time to discuss questions with you, like how you will name the compounds. Okay? Chalo. Let's try to answer it. Okay, one more thing is there that I would like to discuss with you all. Like if this is a scenario, okay, this is a scenario where we have like H314, 2, 3, 1, 4 and 2. Okay, this is the scenario. Please let me know from which side should we start numbering in this compound. From which side should we start numbering this compound? Yes, from left hand side, from right hand side, which should be the correct order of numbering? Tell me fast. Okay. So please let me know. Should we start numbering from this side? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, you're telling left side. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's compare now. Okay. When we are numbering from your right hand side, we are getting the position of your double bond and triple bond at 1 and 4. Yes, double bond ka position is first and triple bond is at 4th carbon. Okay, Siddhi is telling right. Okay, okay, let me tell you who is answering correct. Okay, and when we means number it from left hand side, we are getting a triple bond at first position and double bond at 4th position. You can see the position of bond is similar. Either you are means numbering it from right hand side or you are numbering it from left hand side. You are getting the bonds at same position. In this case, your double bond will have more priority. Okay, double bond will have more priority than your triple bond. Clear? Than your triple bond. Why? Because double bond starts with E, that is E, and your triple bond start with I, that is Y. So alphabetically we have to do the numbering here. So that means your this one is correct and this one is wrong. Is it clear everyone? In this case your E, that is your double bond, we are having at first position and triple bond at 4th position. In this case, while numbering from left hand side, we have double bond at 4th and triple bond at 1st. Means both sides se numbering karne par we are getting the same position of the bonds. In that case, I told you earlier also, we use alphabetical order of numbering. Yes. So E comes before Y. That's why your double bond will be given more priority and it will be given your first number. That's why we will start numbering from the right hand side. Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know if it is clear to you. Yeah? No. What you are telling, Rohit? No means is it not clear, or you are telling this is not correct? What you are telling? Please let me know what you are trying to say. Is it clear? Okay. Yeah. How will we name this compound? That also I will tell you, Siddhi. Okay. Yes. So we are going to name it now. Now we don't have any prefix over here. That is, no, we don't have any substituents over here. So we will not have any prefix. So we will directly come to the root word. You can see we have 5 carbons over here. So root word will be pent. And now we have 2 bonds in the main chain. That is your double bond as well as triple bond. So that is, we will write here pent 1 ene. And at 4th position we have your triple bond. So pent 1 ene 4 ine. Okay. Now here E will be removed because I told you whenever out of these 6 letters any 2 letters come together, we always remove the first one. So correct name will be, or also you can skip the first position as well. Okay. First position is not necessary to mention. So you can write it like this, pent in 4 ine. This is the correct name of this compound. Is it clear, everyone? So to name these types of compound, always go for alphabetical naming, and whenever you are stuck in numbering, like you get similar position after numbering from either side, left hand or right hand, always go for alphabetical order of numbering. But only when you are stuck, okay, when this situation arises, that you get the similar position after numbering from either side. Otherwise, never use alphabetical order. Always go for normal method of numbering. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? So the name of this compound will be pent in 4 ine. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. So let's go to now our question section. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. The first question that is asked in your sample paper is, what is the IUPAC name of ethylene? Okay. IUPAC name of ethylene. So please tell me fast if you know this answer. IUPAC name of ethylene is what? Because see, every compound or maximum compound have common names along with your IUPAC name. So your ethylene is the common name. You have to tell me its IUPAC name. Okay. What is the IUPAC name of ethylene? Anyone in the comment section? Rohit, Siddhi, anyone? Tisha, Varsha? Yes? So tell me fast, what is the IUPAC name of ethylene if you know the answer? No idea. Okay. So IUPAC name of ethylene is ethene. Okay, this is your structure of ethene. So here we don't have any substituent, so no prefix. We will directly come to the root word. So for 2 carbons we use root word eth, and like we have double bond between the 2 carbons, that is at the first position. If we number the carbons, first position is not necessary to mention. That's why the name of this compound will be ethene, and it is the IUPAC name. Okay, the official name. And common name, like for everyone you have some names that is in school, and you have a different name for house, that is your call name. Okay, so that is your used by your relatives. So similarly compounds also have common name. Okay, so that is your ethylene for ethene. Clear? Similarly, we have common names for other compounds which are very popular. So you should know the common names for very popular compounds. Okay. So in the exam, it may be given that please draw the structure of acetylene. Okay. Please draw the structure of acetylene. Now, if you don't know that which compound has common name acetylene, how will you answer that question? Yes. So in exam, it can be asked that draw the structure of this compound, and that compound common name will be given. IUPAC name is not given. Then in that case, you need to know the common names. Okay. Very popular common names. So you don't need to know the common names of every compound, but only of those compounds whose common name is very popular. Like this compound has a common name acetylene, and its IUPAC name is ethyne. Okay. The IUPAC name of this compound is ethyne. Clear, everyone? Please let me know if you know if it is clear to everyone. Yes? Should I proceed further now? Any doubt anyone is having in this case? Okay? Chalo. So proceeding further now, you have to tell me, okay, which of the compounds contain double bond between carbon atoms. Okay? Okay, very good. So this is again from your ICSE sample paper 2022. Okay, sample paper 2022. You have to tell me which of the compounds contain double bond between your carbon atoms. So the options are 2-butylene, option B acetaldehyde, option C acetic acid, option D ethyl alcohol. So this is a question from your ICSE sample paper 2022. So which of the compounds contain double bond between your carbon atoms? 2-butylene, acetaldehyde, acetic acid or ethyl alcohol? Which is the correct answer over here? So if you know the answer, please tell the answer fast as soon as you can. Okay. So D. No, Rohit, D is not the correct answer over here. C. Let me solve it for you. Okay, let me draw the structure of every compound. First of all, know this thing that every name that is given in the option is the common name. Okay, all these are your common names. Yes, very good, Siddhi. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Their IUPAC name is different. Okay, so 2-butylene is this compound. This compound is 2-butylene. You can see over here. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is 2-butylene. Acetaldehyde is this one. Acetic acid is this one. And ethyl alcohol is this one. Okay? Yes. So you can see over here the question is asking the double bond between the carbon atoms. And this is the compound which is containing a double bond between the carbon atoms. Yes? So option A is the correct answer. Clear? Yes, very good. So you can see here all these are your common names. So the IUPAC name of this compound will be but2ene. Okay, but2ene, because if you start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have double bond at second position. This is the common name is acetaldehyde and the IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay, because your aldehyde group is present and for aldehyde we use the suffix al. Okay. Acetic acid is the common name for ethanoic acid. Yes, because you can see C double bond OH is present here. That is your carboxylic acid, and for carboxylic acid we use the suffix oic acid. Yes, and this is your alcohol group present, so the name will be ethanol. Okay, why we are using eth everywhere? Because you can see in the main chain we have 2 carbons and root word for 2 carbons is eth. Is it clear everyone? Please let me know. Okay. Okay, chalo, very good. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's try to answer different questions. Yes, let's try to name different compounds. So please name it fast. What is the name of this compound? Okay, so try to name it. Everyone, please try to name it. What is the name of this compound? Yes. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay. So have you started naming it? So tell me fast. Okay. Siddhi is answering. Rohit is thinking. Okay. Let me make this thing easy for you. Okay. Okay. So you can see over here, from which side should we start numbering? First of all, let me tell me fast. From which side? Yes, Siddhi, you gave the answer, but your answer is not correct. Okay. You gave the answer, but your answer is not correct. So please tell me, from which side should we start numbering? Which is our first? Tell me the parent chain. So this is going to be our parent chain. Yes. Now we have to number. So from which side should we start numbering? Yes. So we have to number it from your right hand side, because by numbering on right hand side, you get functional group at second position. If you number from the left hand side, yes, if you number it from left hand side, you get the means functional group at third position, which is not correct. So if you start numbering from this side, you get the functional group at third position. That's why it is not correct. And if you start numbering from the right hand side, you are getting the functional group at second position. That's why it is correct. So I told you functional group is given more priority than your substituents and bonds. Okay. So that's why we are numbering it from, yes, Siddhi. Now you are giving the correct answer. So the name will be 3,3 dimethyl. Okay. 3,3 dimethyl. Over, prefix over, because these are the two substituents that we have. 3,3 dimethyl. Now coming to the root word. Root word will be for 4 carbons. It is but. Every carbon atom in the parent chain is containing single bond. So the primary suffix will be ane. At second position we have alcohol group, for which we use the suffix all. So it will be 2-ol. Now E and O are coming together. So remove E from this, and the correct name will be 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know if it is clear to you. Yes? Okay. So, should I proceed now? Okay. So now let me talk about some functional groups and their suffix. Okay. So functional group is like, we have alcohol, we have your aldehydes, we have your carboxylic acid, we have your ketones, we have esters, and we have your ether. These are the 6 types of functional group that we have to study. Now, which suffix we should use? So, your alcohol is OH group and suffix used is all for alcohol. Aldehydes are C double bond OH group, that is CHO group, having the suffix al. Okay. So, in aldehydes, you can see carbonyl group is attached to your H group. Yes. So, here you can see carboxylic acid will be C double bond OOH. So COOH, carboxylic acid, and the suffix that we use is oic acid. Ketone is nothing but your carbonyl group only, having carbon chains on both sides. Yes, C double bond O. This is your ketone group having the suffix -one. Clear? Ketones, ethers are not in syllabus. It is reduced. Okay, Rohit. But to know the name, it will hardly take you 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. I'm not discussing the entire thing. I'm just discussing the names. So it will just hardly take you 2 or 3 minutes to know the names. Okay. So are you interested in knowing the names, everyone? Please let me know. Okay, very good. Yes, for ketones we have the suffix -one. Yes, very good. Now, you can see here esters and ether we will be discussing here. First, let us discuss ester. So, what is ester? This group is known as ester. C double bond O. Yes. So, here also we have carbon chain. And here also we have carbon chain. Okay. Now, the carbon chain, for ester, the suffix that we use is alkyl alkanoate. Okay, alkyl alkanoate is the suffix that we use for ester. Now, the carbon chain that is attached to your oxygen atom is given the suffix alkyl, and the carbon chain which is attached to this carbonyl group is given the suffix alkanoate. So for example, if we have this compound, tell me fast what is going to be its name. Tell me fast what is going to be its name. Okay. So tell me fast which is your alkyl group, which is your alkanoate group. So you can see this carbon chain is attached to oxygen only. So this is going to be your alkyl group. The carbon chain which is attached to this carbonyl group, or you can call it carboxyl group as well, because this is formed from carboxylic acid. So here you can see this part is known as your alkanoate. Yes. Okay, waiting Rohit. So tell me fast if it is clear to you till here it is clear to you. Okay. Should I now proceed? Please let me know if I should proceed here. Yes. Okay. So here you can see in alkyl group we have only methoxyalkanoate. Oh, Siddhi, you are just mixing the names of ether and ester. That you are doing here. Alkanoate alkyl is not there. Alkyl alkanoate we write. Okay. So here for alkyl we have one carbon. So the name of this alkyl will be methyl. And here alkanoate mein we have two carbons. One here and one here. That means this is your ethanoate. Because for two carbon the root word is eth. So this alkanoate, so the name will be ethanoate. Is it clear everyone? Please let me know once if it is clear. Methyl ethanoate. Okay. One more example on this and then we will move to ether. Okay. Let me give you one more example on this. Okay. Now you can see we have again ester group, and the carbon chain which is attached to your oxygen is your alkyl group, and the carbon chain which is attached to this carbonyl group is your alkanoate group. Yes. So tell me fast what is the name of this compound. First we name the alkyl, then we name the alkanoate. In alkyl we have two carbon atoms. For two carbon atoms the root word that we use is ethyl. Yes. So it will be ethyl, and here you can see we have three carbon atoms. Yes or no? 1, 2 and 3. Three carbon atoms we have. So the name of this will be prop. The root word will be prop, and we are using propanoate. Okay, anoate you are using. So in place of al we are using prop, and rest will be same, that is anoate. Ethyl propanoate is the correct answer over here. Is it clear everyone? Please let me know. The naming phenomena of your ester group is clear to everyone. Okay. Chalo. Let's talk about your ether now. Okay. Very good Siddhi. Yes, ethyl propanoate is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's talk about your ether. For ether we use the suffix alkoxyalkane. Okay. Alkoxyalkane is the suffix that we use for ether. Now, ether is only this oxygen atom having carbon chain on both sides. Okay, carbon chain on both sides. This is your ether. Okay, so you can see over here that on carbon chain, okay, the carbon chain that is smaller. Suppose this is your smaller carbon chain. So the smaller chain will be termed as alkoxy. Okay, and the larger one, okay, the larger one will be called as alkane. Larger chain is known as alkane. Is it clear everyone? Larger chain having more number of carbon atoms will be alkane. Smaller chain will be alkoxy. Let me give you an example for this, like we have here CH3 and this side we have CH2 CH3. You can see this is your smaller chain. So smaller chain is going to be your alkoxy. And here we have larger chain. So larger chain is going to be your alkane. So we write the name as alkoxyalkane. Now here we have only one carbon. So the root word that will be used here will be meth, and again we will add oxy to it. So it will be methoxy. And here we have two carbons in the chain. So root word for two carbon is eth, and again we have to use the suffix alkane. So it will be ethane. So the name of this compound will be methoxyethane. Is it clear, everyone? Methoxyethyl not. No, Siddhi, you are again confusing with the name. You are again getting confused. This is the IUPAC name. If you want to write the common name, then the common name will be like this. Ethyl, methyl, ether. This is the common name given to your ether groups. Basically, the carbon chains while naming, means while doing the common naming, while writing the common names, we always treat the carbon chains as substituents while we are writing the common name. That's why we have written its name as methyl, its name as ethyl. But when we are writing the IUPAC name, we always use the suffix alkoxyalkane. So the smaller chain gets the suffix oxy, and your bigger chain, larger chain gets the suffix ane. So that it becomes methoxyethane. Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know if it is clear to you. Yes? Okay? Clear? Should I proceed now? Tell me fast if it is clear to you. Okay, chalo, very good. So these are your common functional groups which we use in our means organic chemistry. We have more functional groups, okay, but that you will be studying in your class 11. Okay, okay, chalo. Let's try to answer some questions now. Okay. Okay. Try to name this compound, everyone. Please try to name this compound. What is the name of this compound? First of all, tell me from which side should we start the numbering. From which side should we start the numbering? Tell me fast. And if you are really liking the session, do not forget to like it, okay? And do not forget to share it as well. Okay, so let's start numbering it. So you can see we have a functional group here. So we will again, this is our parent chain. So the first rule is to identify your parent chain. We have identified the parent chain. Functional group is present on the right hand side. That means we will start numbering from right hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the numbering. Okay. Now start writing the name. So we have here two substituents. One is chloro and one is bromo. So again we will write the name here as 3 bromo, 3 bromo. At fourth position we have chloro. So 4 chloro. No more substituents are left. Let's come to the root word. So 5 carbons are present in the main chain. So the root word will be pent. At first position we have triple bond. At third position we have double bond. So the name will be pent 3-ene. E will be removed because your ene and ine will be together. So we cannot have two vowels together. We have to omit the first one. So 3-ene, 1-ine. Again this E will also be omitted because at first position only we have alcohol group which is also containing a vowel. So we can't have two vowels together. So 1-ine, 1-ol. Or you can write it like this also, or because first position is not necessary to mention. So 3 bromo, 4 chloro, pent, 3 in ine all. Okay, pent 3 in ine oil all. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Yes, 3 in 1, like this also we can write. Clear? Or you can omit this first position also. So this is the correct way of numbering and writing the names of the compounds. Let us practice some more compounds so that you can have a better picture of what we do in the nomenclature. So this is going to be a last class on nomenclature. After this, I will not be taking any class on nomenclature. So if you have any doubt related to your nomenclature, please ask me now. Okay? Okay. Okay. So let's try to answer one more question. Okay. Try to answer it. Try to answer it. What is the name of this compound? Everyone, please try to answer it. What is the name of this compound? So tell me fast, from which side should we start the numbering? From left hand side, from right hand side, from which side should we start the numbering? Okay, waiting, Siddhi. I'm new on this channel, previous videos of nomenclature. Rohit, if you will go through the playlist, no, the playlist, if you miss the channel that is there, you click on the channel, you go in the playlist, and there if you search for your nomenclature videos, you will be getting all the videos. Okay? Yes, in the playlist, the videos are there of the nomenclature and of your all organic chemistry. I have taken a class on everything related to your organic chemistry. Okay, and today's class is a sufficient class on nomenclature. I have done everything, the every rule I have discussed with you that I had discussed in the previous classes. Okay, but if you want to see the videos, you can go in the playlist of this channel, and there you can access all the videos related to your organic chemistry as well as other chapters. Okay, so Siddhi is also already answering. Very good, Siddhi. So the correct answer here is, let's start numbering. So all of you know that this is our parent chain. So numbering will be from this side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at fourth position we have bromo. Then we don't have any substituent. So we will come to root word bute. At second position we have your double bond. And at first position we have your oic acid. So the name will be 4-bromo bute 2-enoic acid. Very good, Siddhi. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes? Is it clear to everyone? Please let me know. Okay. So if you are really liking the means everything, the class and the content, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, please share the channels with your friends. Acha, one more thing I would like to tell you. Yes, Siddhi, we will be having more questions now. One more thing I would like to tell you, that we will be soon discussing the sample question papers on this channel. Okay. So please spread this news with your friends also, so that whenever we are having our sample question paper class, you can attempt it. Okay? Chalo. Let's have one more question. Okay. Okay, try to answer it. Try to answer it fast, everyone. Try to answer it, everyone. Okay. So tricky question. Yes. So question is going to be a little bit tricky because I have told you the every rules, and if you know the rules properly, you will be able to answer this question. Okay. Let's try to understand. Okay, one more thing. Here, see, I have not given you the hydrogens. So do not think that here no hydrogens are there. Two valency of carbon is satisfied. So rest two will be hydrogen. Here one will be hydrogen. Here we will have three hydrogens. Okay. Hello Chaya, welcome to the class. Okay. So time please. Okay Siddhi, I'm giving you time, but this is I will answer. Please wait. Yes, Siddhi, I'm waiting. Okay. Let us wait for 1 more minute so that you can try to miss how you can answer this question. So one thing I would like to tell you, if you see the hydrogens are not present with your carbon, so first count the valency. How many valencies of carbon is satisfied? If all the four valencies are satisfied, okay, then good. If any valency is left unsatisfied, please add hydrogen to that carbon on your own. Okay. So it is understood that your rest of the valencies of carbon will be satisfied by your hydrogen only. Clear? So I am now starting to answer the question. Okay, 92% term 1. You have got 92%. Okay, very good. Congratulations. I have already uploaded the full course on YouTube. Okay, I have already uploaded it. These are your revision sessions where I am discussing your important questions with you. Okay. Hi Aman, welcome to the class. So see, I am starting to answer the question. So Siddhi, you can answer your question in the answer the question in the chat section. Okay. So let's try to answer it. So first of all, let's see which is our parent chain. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. So of course this is going to be our parent chain. This is going to be our parent chain. Yes? Okay Siddhi, let's see if your answer matches with mine. Okay? Chalo. So here this is our parent chain. Now from which side should we start the numbering? All of you can see we have functional group here. That means from right hand side numbering will give us the second position. At second position we will get the functional group. If we start numbering from left hand side we will get the functional group at sixth position, which is not possible. That means we will start numbering from first, means from right hand side. Why? Because functional group is more prioritized than your double bonds, triple bonds and substituents. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, Siddhi, I am telling you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the numbering will start from your right hand side because your functional group has to get the lowest position here. Now you can see here we will start the numbering. Okay, I wrote the wrong question. Okay. Chalo. So you can see first we have to write the names of substituents as prefix along with their position. Now we have how many substituent? One, that is your methyl group. One other substituent, that is your chloro. Other substituent, that is your bromo. And this is also a substituent only because this is not included in your main chain. So any group of atoms not included in the main chain is your substituents. So this is your ethyl group because we have 2 carbon atoms present in this alkyl group. Okay. So the name of this substituent will be ethyl. Clear? Now we can see that we have 4 substituents. So we will start writing the name alphabetically. Okay. So in alphabetical order, your B comes first. So we will write the name as 6-bromo. Okay, 6-bromo. Then after that we have C. So 5-chloro. Then we have E. So at 4th position we have ethyl group. So 4-ethyl. Then at 6th position again we have your methyl. So 6-methyl. Now all substituents are over. Now let's come to the root word. So main chain is containing 7 carbon atoms. So root word will be hept. At 4th position we have double bond. So it will be hept 4-ene. At 2nd position we have your alcohol group. So it will be all. So hept 4-ene 2-all is the correct name for this question. So Siddhi, yes. Okay, you wrote the wrong question. Okay. So you can match here that the correct answer is your 6-bromo, 5-chloro, 4-ethyl, 6-methyl, hept 4-ene 2-all. Clear everyone? So I hope this is clear to everyone because I have discussed all the rules in very detail in today's session. Okay, hello Aman, very good evening. So I hope everything is clear to everyone. Yes, okay Siddhi, chalo, very good. So I hope you have all understood this well, and if you really like the session, do not forget to like the session as well as share these classes with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel because next time when I go live, you will be getting a notification if you subscribe to the channel. Yes, Siddhi. Yes. Now it's correct. So it's very good that you have understood this. Also, before ending the class, I would like to tell you about the Unacademy Prodigy test. So all of you please note this down that we are having 13th February ko we are having this Prodigy test. You can enroll free for this test, and if you are a like highest scorer for this test, you will be getting so many amazing prizes. Ma'am, give the link of your class Telegram group. Okay, sure Siddhi. I will give it in the chat section. Okay, let me try. Okay. Let me try. Can I give it in the comment section or not? Just give me a moment. Aman, please stay. Please let me finish this one Prodigy test because this is very essential and very beneficial for you all. Okay. So just trying to give you. Okay, I have given you the link here. Siddhi, I have given you the link. Please join this link. Click on this link to get to my Telegram channel. Okay. Chalo. This is the link of my Telegram channel. Did you receive it? Did you get it? Please let me know once. Okay. So you can win so many exciting awards, but the most important thing is that you can analyze yourself, where you stand, what is your level here, okay? And what is your performance, who are your competitors, that you can analyze. So please do appear for this test on 13th of Feb from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay? Okay. So, no, you did not receive. Okay. See, Siddhi, just one thing. Thank you, Aman. Thank you so much. Where? I have given in the chat section only. Are you getting my chat? See? Are you getting my chat, Siddhi? I don't know why the link I am not able to paste it. I think in the chat section we cannot paste the link. Okay, Siddhi, I can give you the link in the comment section. Okay. I can give you the link on the comment section. From there you can click on that link and can join the group. Okay. Chalo. So these are the upcoming batches on Unacademy app for plus batches. For class 10 also we have your champions batch and Uran batch as well, where your India's top educators. You can pin. Okay. Let me pin it. Okay. I cannot pin it, I think so, because I am not able to pin it. Okay, I cannot pin it. Okay, I will give you the link in the chat section. Once this class gets over, I will give you the link in the chat section. Please check the chat section. Okay? I cannot pin the message. Okay. So upcoming batches are like your class 10 for class 10 champions and okay Siddhi, sure. In comment section I will provide you the link. Don't worry about that. Okay? So you can enroll for the plus batches as well. But please do watch my special classes that is going on at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Unacademy app. These special classes are absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. Just use my code Manisha Live. Okay? Use my code Manisha Live and you will be able to watch all the special classes just for free. Okay? So this is the number where you can get in touch with your counselor and can know about all the subscription queries, latest offers, preparation journey, everything. Okay? So thank you all for watching the session. Do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon if you want to attend my class regularly, okay, and download the notes from the Telegram channel. I will give the link of the Telegram channel in the comment section, okay. So bye everyone. Thank you. Good night, and again we will meet on tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay. So bye everyone.